Hello everyone, I am Rajiv Sharma in front of you. Now today we discuss an important chapter of the level of the class 12th, ray optics and reflection at the spherical surface. Now our first topic is the light. What is a light? Light is the form of energy and we can see any object easily. Light is the mixture of the seven invisible colors we share to the vibrio. It is ascending order in wavelength and descending order in frequency. The wavelength of the violet color is 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter and the wavelength of red color is 7.8 into 10 power minus 7. It is the ascending order in wavelength and descending order in frequency. Before the violet color, that is known as ultraviolet, and it is very harmful for our skin to develop to the cancer, but it is also useful for the purification of water. After the red, that is known as the infrared, and it was generally useful for the remote and killing of rats. Now we started to the definition of the light and discuss about two different properties of light. Now the first property is light is behave as emitter. What is emitter? That body to be ejected the electron in the presence of sunlight, that is known as emitter, to light gas. When the high intensity sunlight to be strike at the photosensitive plate or metallic plate, then it will be ejected electrons on the body, that is known as the photoelectrons, and the process is also known as photoelectric emission. The photoelectric emission was basically dependent on the Planck quantum theory, E is equal to h nu. Now the first property of light is behave as the emitter. Now we discuss about the second topic. Light is the electromagnetic wave, EMW. What is electromagnetic wave? This type of wave is propagated in the presence of medium and also in absence of medium. And it is also followed to the three properties: electric, magnetic plus wave. What is the electric? When the high intensity ray of light is struck on the photosensitive plate, then it will be ejected electron in the presence of sunlight, that is known as the photoelectrons, and it will be developed to the current to like as photoelectric emission or photoelectric effect. We can be easily described to the photoelectric effect by this figure. When the high intensity ray of light is struck on the photosensitive plate to like as the cathode plate, and it will be ejected electrons and it will be consumed by the another metallic plate, that is the anode, and the ejected electrons is also consumed by the micrometer are milliampere, then it will be converted in form of current. And how much the current to develop in the device, that process is known as photoelectric emission, and it is also known as the property of current flow in device. Therefore it will be follow the property of electric. Now the second property is magnetic. We know that if the current developed in the any device to like as the cylindrical body in same way or same manner, the numbers of wire to be mounted in the structure, and it will also behave as the electromagnet. We know that the disturbance go in the forward direction, it is known as the wave, because the light is come about from space to the any metallic surface. When the disturbance go in the forward direction, that is also known as wave. Therefore the whole property of light is also known as electromagnetic wave. Now we discuss about the another important property. Light is the transverse wave. What is the transverse wave? This type of the wave is propagated in the perpendicular direction of the medium to like as crust and top. It is denoted on y and x axis, that is the crust, and it is also known as top. Light is the transverse wave because it will be developed to the perpendicular direction of the medium. Now we discuss the another important property of light is the speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second in vacuum. What is the vacuum? There has no atmosphere and it is also called a vacuum. Now another important property of the light we discuss about, it is follow the property of ray optics. Light, now we discuss the another property. A light have a reflection. What is the reflection of the light? When the ray of light is strike at the plane mirror or a smooth surface, then it will be reflected by the same direction. That is known as the reflection of light. Angle I is equal to angle R. Now the Snell is defined to the law of reflection. First law, incident ray, reflected ray and normal are lies in same plane. Now the value of incident angle I, that was the second line, incident angle I is equal to reflected angle R. The another important property in the light has the refraction to like as. What is the refraction of the light? When the ray of light is passes from the rarer medium to the denser medium, it will be bent at a normal, is called the refraction of light. Now Snell is also described to the law of refraction. The first law shows that incident ray, refracted ray and normal are lies in same plane. Another or the second law that will be show that the ratio of incident angle sin I and refracted angle sin R to will remain constant. It is also known as the refractive index. And what is the refractive index? That is the generally ratio speed of light between two medium. The different case of the refractive index to like as A and G. Now the ray of light is passes from AI to glass. W and G. water to glass, G and A, glass to A. We discuss about the another important topic and the properties of light. That was the reflection, total internal reflection. What is the total internal reflection? When the ray of light passes through from denser medium to rarer medium, if the value of incident angle IC is more greater than 90 plus alpha, and it is known as the critical angle, and the phenomena is called a total internal reflection. The easier example of the total internal reflection is the optical fiber. Endoscopy, mirage, lumen, etc. Now the two main causes are two main reasons to be developed the total internal reflection. First, the ray of light passes through from denser to rarer medium, and second, the value of incident angle IC is more greater than 90 plus alpha, or angle of refraction R is also equal to 90. That is known as the critical angle, and the phenomena is called the total internal reflection. Now we discuss to the another important property of the light, that is followed to the property of wave optics. In light have the interference, diffraction and polarization. Now we discuss to the another important property of the wave optics is interference of light. When the ray of light passes through from the small hole or point, and it will be scattered in the different direction at the screen. In that point, the intensity of light is low. It is known as the destructive interference. In that point, the intensity of light is high. It is known as the constructive interference. In our daily life, the many examples of the interference of light. When a person to be buy and sold the substance to like as a chocolate, books, etc. In the back side of the books, we are observed that different types of the barcoding is present there. That barcoding is in same way or same manner. In the dark line, it is known as the destructive interference, and it will be represented the fringe with W is equal to d lambda by d. In the bright line or gap between two bright lines, that is known as the constructive interference or fringe breadth. In our daily life, many examples of the interference of light to like as the soap bubble. In the level of the class 12, that was the different phenomena interference of light, but the level of class 10 we are also observed the rainbow formation, that was the generally atmospheric reflection. But in the level of the class 12, that is the example of total internal reflection, and the image formation of the soap bubble or the different, or the ray of light is colored in different color to like as big U. That is also example of the interference of light, because the ray of light is entered by the small hole or point, and it is also scattered in the different direction to like as. That is the example of the view, and it is also example of the interference of light. When the peacock swing their wings or flap their wings, we can observe the 7 color of light. that is also the interference of light. Now another important topic in the wave optics, that was the diffraction of light. That was generally bending of the light at the sharp edges. It is known as the diffraction of light. The easier example of the diffraction of light is razor blade. Razor blade, that was the generally easier example of the diffraction of the light to light edge. At the sharp end, we observe the light to be bent. When we observe any bulb or candle, when we observe or see any object in between their fingers, we observe that the intensity of light of the bulb to be bent at the sharp edges. It is also known as the diffraction. To light edge. And another important topic is polarization. What is the polarization? When the high intensity ray of light, that is also we have the transverse wave, and it is represented by dot. It is known as the polarized light. If the intensity of light is weak, and it is known as unpolarized light, and it is also represented by double L. That was the basically total summary of that, the property of light. And the polarized film is also very useful in the different manner and different experiments. We used to the modern camera, that was generally polarized camera, because the lens was generally formed with help of quinine or nitrocellulose. When the high intensity ray of light to be passes to in same manner, then the polarized film to be converted into the unpolarized light, and person will not be affected their eyes, and it can be easily take a picture of sun, and the driver to be easily drive the bus and car. That was generally phenomena of the polarization. That was the total summary of the property of light in the different manner, and we can be explained by the different method to in easy way. And we meet to our another video. Until then, goodbye.